Hello, Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon. I am Ray Davis, and I will give the Sunday morning talk on December 14. Light. At this time of year, at least 3 of the world's major religions use this time of physical darkness to commemorate the spiritual significance of light. On December 14, my topic is This Wee Light, and I'll lead us on a discovery of the esoteric meaning of light from 3 perspectives: the universal, the individual, and the communal. We'll consider how, when embodied, these 3 ideas of and identifications with divine light can lead to a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmic scheme of things and experience more joy, love, and peace this holiday season. In other words, we'll consider how we can really thrive when the whole world seems to be caught up in what stuff to give and acquire. So join me on Sunday, December 14 at the Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon. We'll have a holy good time. Shalom.